Hello and welcome to the tutorial. So today I'll be creating the first tutorial for the Java. Okay, so for Java, we just have to create a new folder. Okay, I'll create a new folder called Learning Java. Okay, so after creating a folder, I'll just open the terminal. This should be inside the desktop and cd learning Java. Okay, now inside this, I'll open the VS Code. Okay, instead of opening this in the VS Code, I will first just open it. Okay, so inside the Learning Java folder, I'll just go into inside the folder and I'll create a new text document. Inside this, I'll name the, the folder's name with first program. Okay, and inside this, I will be creating a class which is public class first program. Make sure the name of the file and the class is same, and after this I'll be opening the curly braces. Inside this again I'll write public static void main string. Inside this I'll be passing these things as an argument. Okay, so inside this, so this is the first line where I'll be defining the class name, and the name of the class is first program. Okay, and inside this class I do have a method called main, and inside that particular method I'm sending string as an argument. Okay, so this particular main method is public. Okay, it's a public and it's static. That means it is related to the class, and it doesn't return anything, which is denoted by the keyword void. And the name of the method is main. Okay, in this particular method I'm sending string and args. Okay, string as an argument. Now inside this particular method I'm writing a line of code, and that is system.out.println. So this particular line will help me to print hello world. Okay, so if I want to write hello world in my program, then I have to use this keyword, use this particular line of code, which is system.out.println, and inside that particular parenthesis I'll be sending hello world string as an argument. Okay, so there is a package called system, and inside that particular package I do have out class, and inside that out class I have a println method. Inside that println method I'm sending hello world as a string. Okay, and at first I'll be closing the uh, main methods boundary, and in next I'll be closing the first program boundary. Okay, so after this I'll be saving this thing. Okay, and I'll save it in my folder. For this I'll use save as, and inside this first program.txt. Okay, this .txt should be replaced by .java, and the types should be all files, so it will be saved with the extension .java. Okay, now I've saved this, and now I can delete the txt as the Java is already being saved. So now it's time to compile. Okay, for that I'll just click up in the path, and I'll just start cmd, okay, which will help me open the cmd. And inside the cmd I will just the cd learning java. Okay, inside this learning java, what I'll do is I'll just use the keyword java first program .java. Okay, now providing the full name of the file and its extension will enable me to compile the first program file into a Java. And when I enter this, it did convert it. Okay, you can see it. You can see it right here. Okay, so the next thing is first program. The class is converted into first program. First program.java is converted into first program.class. Okay, this is, that means the conversion is successful. Now I do have to convert it. I do have to print Java. I do have to run that particular program, and in order to run that program, I will just write the name of the program, which is Java first program. You don't have to you don't have to use .java extension at the time of running the program. Okay, so Java first program is enough, and you just enter it. Look at this, it just printed the hello world. Now this is how we write our first program in Java. Okay, so see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.